Hello friends, this is Chandrakant Ghosh. In my previous video, I have explained you about mean and median. Today, I'll tell you about mode and range in this video. I'll give you a few examples also so that you can understand how to calculate mode and range. So let's start with mode. The value which appears most frequently in the dataset is known as mode. Or you can say that the value which has maximum frequency in the dataset is known as mode. It's better to arrange the value in the dataset in ascending order first for calculating mode because this makes our work easier, especially when the dataset is having less values. So let's take few examples to understand mode. I have four datasets X, Y, Z and marks. Let's take dataset X first. You can see that 20 is appearing 5 times, 22 is appearing twice, and rest of the values are appearing only once. Therefore, frequency of 20 is 5, which is the maximum. Therefore, 20 is the mode of the dataset X. Now let's come to another example, that is dataset Y. If you see the dataset Y, 20 is appearing 4 times, 22 is also appearing 4 times, and rest of the data or rest of the values are appearing only once. Therefore, frequency of 20 is 4 and frequency of 22 is also 4. Therefore, there are two modes, that is 20 and 22. Now let's come to the another data set, that is Z. If you see the data set Z, each value is appearing only once, or you can say the each value is having frequency 1. Therefore, it has no mode. Now come to the another example, that is dataset marks. If you see the dataset marks, you can see that 10 is appearing 4 times, 33 appearing 4 times, 55 is appearing 4 times, and 70 is appearing 4 times. That means frequency of all these four values are 4. Therefore, there are 4 mode. The 4 modes are 10, 33, 55 and 70. Therefore, we can say that any dataset may have one mode, more than one mode, or no mode. Now, suppose if you have a huge dataset and you don't know how many modes are there in the dataset, then how to calculate mode. So let's see how to calculate mode when you have a big dataset by using spreadsheet. You can use Excel also. So for this, select 2-3 cells, click on equal to sign, type mode. Spreadsheet will show you few more functions. Select mode multi, select all the values which are there in the dataset and press enter. This will give you mode. Because this dataset is having only one mode, therefore it gives you 20. That is mode of this dataset. Now come to the another example, that is dataset 5. Again select 2 3 cells because you don't know how many modes are there. Click on equal to sign, type mode, select multi-mode, select all the dataset, all the values, and press enter. It will give you two modes because in this dataset we have two modes. Now come to the third dataset, that is Z. Again select 2 3 cells, click on equal to sign, type mode, select multi, select all the values, press enter. This will give you no mode because this dataset is having no mode. Now come to the last example, which is the dataset marks. Again select 2 3 4 cells, click on equal to sign, type mode, select mode multi, select all the values in the dataset, enter. This will give you all the four modes which we have already seen. So this way you can identify how many modes are there in a dataset. So this was about mode. Now let's come to another topic, that is range. Range is very simple. It is the maximum value minus minimum value. Again, let's take example to understand range. In the dataset X, we have 11 values, and this dataset I have already arranged in ascending order. So it is easy to see the maximum value and the minimum value, and range is equal to the maximum value, which is 99, and minimum value, which is 20. We'll get the range of the dataset X. Therefore 79 is the range of dataset X. Now let's suppose you have a huge dataset and you don't know which value is the maximum one and which value is the minimum one. Then how to calculate range? For that, click on a cell, click on equal to sign, type maximum. Your spreadsheet will show you few more functions. Select maximum and select all the values in the dataset. Press enter. This will give you the maximum value in your dataset. Similarly, we can see the minimum value in the dataset. Again, click on equal to sign, type minimum. Your spreadsheet will show you for few more functions, but select minimum and then select all the values in the dataset. Press enter. This will give you the minimum value in the dataset. Now you can calculate range. Range is maximum value minus minimum value, which is 1. Press enter. You will get the range of this dataset marks. Therefore 89 is the range of the dataset marks. So this was all about mode and range. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video if you found it good. Add your valuable comments and share this video with your friends and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe it by click on the bell icon. We'll see you in my next video with another topic, that is standard deviation and variance. Have a good day.